about what? Writing a what? Writing about a poem, and a poem expresses your what? Feeling. All right, and using those words in your poem, today you had to remember from first in kindergarten what a noun was. Class, what's a noun?
Person, place,
And we want to go back and say a noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. Now you had to also show me and then tell Miss Ketchyside what's a verb?
Something you can do.
Something you can do. A word that shows action. Verb is a word. And of course in class last week you started working on adjectives. And adjective is what kind of word, class?
An adjective is describing a word.
Noun. Tell me again, Nathan. I'm listening to you say what an adjective is again.
Adjective is a person, a place. Wait, no. An adjective is a word that describes a noun.
You guys say it louder, son.
An adjective is a word that describes a noun.
Excellent. I got to give you a fist bump on that because you just took my job. All right, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Leah, give me an example of a noun. Come on, you can do it. Let's go. Come on, let's go. An example of a noun. Let's go. Person, place, or thing. Come on, Leah. Jamia is a person. Yes, that's excellent. All right, let's go with our class poem. Our class poem is following a pattern. Our pattern we have here, we're going to give an adjective or adjectives. Then we're going to give a noun. After we give a noun, we give a verb. And we start at the first line doing what good writers do. What do we call that word when we cross out something? We're going to what? Say it again? Editing, because we want to get our writing correct. So we decided on our first line. Class, let's read our first line with an adjective, noun, and verb. I'm ready. Let's go. First line.
Sweet, chewy, candy corn, tasty.
All right. Now, second line, our noun we decided on was going to be what?
Apple
Pie. And we started with one word. We had yummy first, and we found a word that means about the same, Eric, as yummy, which is a synonym, and that's called what word? Delicious. Now we need one more word or an adjective to describe our apple pie. All right, what you got? Talk to me, Alyssa.
Chewy.
Chewy, we've used chewy already. We're not going to do any repeats.
Sticky.
All right, Hayden. Ooh, I like it.
Hot.
Hot. Okay, let's get some exciting words. Remember, start using your 5 senses when you write. We want to make sure what's a word that sounds or means about the same as hot. Let's get some exciting words here. Alyssa, I'm going back to your word. I'm going to say sticky. Delicious. Sticky, yes. Because sometimes when I eat my apple pie, it messes up my fingers. Sticky, let's go. All right, I need some writer's words. Hot, cold, we use those too much. Good, we're not using those words in 3rd grade anymore. Give me a writer's word. Carter?
Crunchy.
Oh, I like that kind. And guess what? If you get a crunchy apple pie, don't let Mr. Hodges see it because that's the kind he likes. All right, crunchy. All righty, I like it. All right, now here's for a writer's mark. Look at me, please. Because we ran out of room, and it means I want to insert the word crunchy, the writer's mark here is going to be called a carrot. Healthy? Well, not really healthy. That'd be a great describing word. It's going to have a lot of sugar in it, but I like that describing word that you have. I love that. All right, I need an action word, a verb that shows an action. I'll start down here. You have to give me an action word. Be ready. Take pass. All right, Brody, action word. Verb. Action word. Cut it. I like it because if we have a delicious, sticky, crunchy apple pie, we will be cutting it. Woo! I love it. Cutting it. All right. Good, guys.